Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to appeal a Hinge ban and get your Hinge account back. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Hinge support. From the results, click on Submit a Request on the official Hinge Help Center page. Here, you'll see several options. Choose the one that says Submit and Appeal. Now, enter your email address so Hinge can contact you. Then, type in your phone number linked to your Hinge account. After that, enter the email address associated with your Hinge account to help them find your profile easily. Next, fill in your first and last name. Then, select the reason for your appeal, such as a mistaken ban or policy misunderstanding. In the details section, explain your situation clearly. You can also attach a screenshot if you received a message or email about your ban. Once you've filled everything in, click on Submit. Hinge support will review your appeal and contact you through email once they make a decision. It may take a few days, so keep an eye on your inbox for their response. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.